Hello. This video provides a quick overview of installing and utilizing the ASU-Beebe mobile app. The ASU-Beebe app is a great way to stay up to date with campus events, find university resources, and communicate with students and staff on the social feed. Let's get started. For iPhone users, tap the icon for the App Store and then select the search icon. Now type ASU-Beebe and press enter. Next, tap Get, and once installed, tap Open. For Android users, tap the Google Play icon and press the search bar. Type ASU-Beebe mobile app, select the ASU-Beebe app, and then press Install. Once installed, press Open. Alright, now with the app downloaded, we are going to sign in using the ASU-Beebe student account. Tap Get Started or Sign In. Next, enter your email username and press enter. Now, type in your password and press enter. Microsoft is asking if we wish to remain signed in. I am going to select yes. On the screen, view the Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. After reviewing, select your response. Now, we can add a profile photo that will display on the social page. For this tutorial, I'm going to select Maybe Later. However, it can be very helpful to add a photo. On this screen, you can select which items display on your home screen. I'm going to select the top 3 for now. Press Next to continue. Alright, now tap Done. Now that we're completely signed in, I want to highlight a few features on the app. First off, some campus events might use the barcode scanner for signing in. You will need to grant the app permission to use your device camera. Use the toolbar at the bottom of the page to navigate the app. We are currently on the institution page. Here we can easily access a large variety of campus information and resources. The home page displays what we selected earlier in the setup. The middle button is the student feed. Here students can ask questions, discuss campus life, student organizations, as well as many other things. Tap the button at the top left to find other student feeds. Alright, this concludes the ASU-Beebe mobile app walkthrough. Thank you for your time and have a great day.